Okay, so today we're making a fidget spinner. Wait, that
Hydro.
came out wrong.
Hydro dipping.
That came out wrong. Okay, today we're hydro dipping a fidget spinner. So we've already popped out all of the bearings and we are ready to hydro dip. So let's clean this up.
There's that.
Now, start out with gold.
Okay, what color next?
Oh, man. Sorry, gold. Now, a little bit of black. Now, green. Oh, crap.
Oh.
That smells good. I love the smell of spray paint.
Okay, add a little more black right there. Okay. And now white. Oh, okay. Actually, okay, I need the paper towel. Now let's add a little more gold. Right there.
A little more gold. There's gold
Okay,
everywhere.
there. We gotta redo this.
And then a little bit of green.
Black. Where's green?
Green.
Oh my
Right there.
Oh. Okay,
Okay.
there's that. Okay, black. Gold. I mean white.
You're using a lot of spray paint, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So, let's put this around my finger. So, where should we dip it at?
dip
Um,
it in the green, black, white,
Right.
and then
There, gotta get some. Okay. So, we're gonna
Dip
put
it,
the paper
like-
towel
right there.
around my finger. So then, wait. Where's the freaking light? Stop disappearing.
Okay, hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh my, you.
Okay, this is good.
Just hurry, hurry.
This around my finger. Oh, crap. Okay, so around my finger. Freak. Okay, around my finger. Through the main bearing hole. Now it's time to dip. Right in there. And that turned out bad. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You think?
Take two.
Can I spray some colors?
No, 1 minute.
Oh, balls.
God. Crap. Crap. He got like. Come where I'm at, Brian. I call you Brian instead of Ryan.
It's okay. People get mixed up all the time.
Whose name is Brian?
My uncles.
Okay. Take two.
Not very good again.
Gold!
Oh my.
Whoa!
It's
A little overtake there, bud. No, don't spray at all.
Who, me? Why?
Cause that thing is not good.
That's clear. Whoa. That's pretty.
You ready?
Okay, now
Let's do this. Let's see how good it turns out this time.
Ryan.
take two. Last time, absolute horrible. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Fail at life again,
No, that's actually pretty good.
Looks cool.
I guess.
Just maybe need to do it one more time. Yeah. Just put
Wait, Ryan, I got an idea.
white, black.
Is this really see-through?
Dip.
Hey,
Oh.
yeah.
That looks cool.
Yeah, it's actually like a camel kind of thing.
And you like camo.
Okay. So what we need now is a stick. Actually, we're gonna add a little more white. Okay, spray in some white. Quick. Spray.
You do that stuff.
Okay. Spray all around. Gotta do a quick layer. There, quick layer of white. Now a little bit of black. No, black. Plus, you just got spray paint all over me.
I got black.
Do a little bit of it. Just a little bit. A little bit. Quick. Dip. Gotta dip that part. Now let's get some green in there. Spray it all around. Just a quick one. Ah, crap. Now gold. Main color is going to be gold.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you
Just
think
a
this
little
is
more
dry,
gold.
Ryan?
Little more. Go. Little more gold. Spray it all around. Okay.
Oh crap!
Okay, that looks cool. Okay, just a little white.
Little
Okay, this is
white.
like the worst type of dip ever, I bet.
Not really.
Actually,
White. Okay. Boom. Okay, now black. To this side.
Black is this one.
Spray it.
I'm going to make it dry quicker with my black coat since I just washed.
Okay. Oh, wait. I have an idea. Okay, so that one's black. This one's white. Spray some white. Quick.
White is this one.
I'm just gonna do the whole thing. So, gold. Gold.
Gold.
A lot of gold. Spray the whole thing with gold.
Ryan, should I be doing this?
So, okay.
Your shoes?
And they're fine.
No, his shoes.
Okay. So, we're gonna hang this up and let it dry. So, just it. Dry that there. Now, let that dry. Pause the video.